16th question, the coefficient of the middle term in the expansion of 1 plus x power 40 is. Okay. Now, we will go by a simple shortcut. I have referred this in question number 15 also. The middle term in 1 plus x power n, when n is even, that is very important, when n is even, is given by nc n by 2 x power n by 2. So, this is the shortcut. Here you can write the middle term immediately using this shortcut. Okay. Now, they are asking what is the coefficient of middle term, or it is as good as asking the middle term in 1 plus x power 40. So, if you take a 1 plus x power 40, since 40 is an even number, so therefore, the middle term for the question is nothing but nc n by 2. So, n is 40. So, it will be 40c half 40 by 2, that is 20 into x power, this same coefficient should be written here, that is 20 should be written here. So, this is the middle term. In fact, this is actually the answer of this question. But the thing is, if you look at the options, since there was coefficient of the middle term, coefficient will be 40c20. Middle term will be 40c20 x power 20, but 40c20 is not there in any option. Yes, that means what we have to do is, there is a formula for NCR. So, I will write that formula in combination. There is a formula for NCR. NCR is given by n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So, there is a formula for NCR like this. So, we will use that formula for 40c20. So, first you have to write n factorial. So, this is 40 factorial divided by r factorial, that is 20 factorial, n minus r, that is difference of this 40 minus 20. So, this is also 20 factorial into x power 20. So, this will be the middle term. And now 40 factorial, if we try to expand, that is, we will only see the visualization of this expansion. 40 factorial is nothing but 40 into 39 into 38 into 37 into 36 like this, and finally it will end up to 1. So, 40 factorial is nothing but the product from 40 up to 1 divided by 20 factorial into 20 factorial into x power 20. So, this is what we get. And now, if you collect only the even terms in the numerator, so I will write 40 first, I will write 40, then if I write 38, then if I write 36 like this, if I go on writing this, last the even term which I am going to write will be 2 then odd terms. Okay, so these are the even terms. Then if you write the odd terms, that is 39 into 37 like that. Now, this will end with 1 because 1 is odd. So, this will be 3. So, 3 into 1 divided by, this is 20 factorial into x power 20. So, like this it goes. Okay. Now, I am just going to continue it here. Yeah. Now, from this 40, if I write it as 2 into 20, 38 if I write it as 2 into 19, 36 if I write it as 2 into 18 like this. Finally, this 2 is nothing but 2 into 1, and this let it be as it is. I am going to write it as it is. So, 39 into 37 up to 1 into x power 20 divided by 20 factorial into 20 factorial. Okay. Now, you can see from here there are so many 2's. In fact, there are 20 2's, 2 into 1, 2 into 2 like that, 2 into 18, 2 into 19, 2 into 20. So, starting from 1 up to 20, every term has a 2. Therefore, totally there will be 20 2's. If you multiply all the 2's, you will get 2 power 20, and you will be left with all the 2's are kept here as 2 power 20, and this is nothing but 20 into 19 into 18 up to 1, and this is nothing but 39 into 37 up to 1 into x power 20 divided by 20 factorial into 20 factorial. And you can see that the product from 1 to 20 is exactly 20 factorial. So, one of the 20 factorial will get cancelled, and therefore, in this step you are going to get the final answer. Therefore, the final answer will be 1 up to 39 into 2 power 20 divided by 20 factorial into x power 20. So, they are asking only the coefficient of the middle term, and hence x power 20, this is the middle term. So, you have to only write the coefficient of x power 20, and hence this is the answer.